Creamy fruity marble dessert. Easy cream salad. Some benefits of fruits to increase our beauty. Benefits of apple for skin. Reduce signs of aging. Apples are a solid source of flavonoids, a phenolic compound that's been linked to beaucoup health benefits. Natural exfoliant. Banish blemishes. It hydrates. It's a natural toner. Reduce the appearance of dark circles. May kickstart hair growth. Benefits of peach for skin. Anti-inflammatory properties. Peaches may help improve and protect your skin. Peaches contain vitamin C, which plays a role in maintaining overall skin health. They also contain provitamin A, which can protect your skin from harmful UV rays and other damaging factors to maintain a youthful glow. Benefits of banana for skin. Bananas contain vitamins A and C, which are essential for healthy, youthful-looking skin. Vitamin A can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles, while vitamin C can help brighten and even out your skin tone. So, if you want to keep those wrinkles at bay, just eating bananas daily will do the trick for you. Benefits of grapes for skin. Grapes can help protect skin cells from UV damage and improve skin elasticity. And if that isn't enough, grapes are also high in vitamins C and E, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy, youthful-looking skin. Benefits of yogurt for skin. Moisturizes, brightens, increases elasticity, combats acne, treats skin infections, eases inflammatory skin conditions, UV ray protection, reduces the signs of skin aging. Ingredients: apple 4, medium peach 2 medium, banana 5 to 6, grapes 1 medium bowl, canned fruit 1, 234 gram, mix, dairy cream 1, 200 milliliters, yogurt 225 gram, candy biscuits 2 packets, 18 to 20 biscuits, castor sugar 3 tablespoons, as per taste. Let's make creamy fruity marble dessert. Dairy cream, 200 milliliters. Take out the dairy cream in a bowl. Yogurt half packet, 225 g. Take out the yogurt in a bowl. 3 tablespoons castor sugar. 1 packet of candy biscuits, 9 biscuits. Grind all the biscuits and add them. Mix all the ingredients well. Four medium-sized apples, finely chopped. 2 medium-sized peaches, finely chopped. 1 medium bowl of grapes. 5 to 6 bananas, finely chopped. Canned tropical fruit cocktail, 234 grams. Mix all the fruits well in the dairy cream mixture. Garnishing of creamy fruity marble dessert. Crushed candy biscuits. Canned tropical fruit cocktail. Fresh or canned cherries. Delicious creamy fruity marble dessert is ready.
Thank you for watching. For more videos keep watching Beauty Tips by Amna. Bye bye.